Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom get something off the ground, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to get to the point of self-sufficient progress or development. She gave it a good go, but unfortunately it wasn't to be. I gave everything to this startup for 2 years, but I couldn't get it off the ground. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. He has a bright future ahead of him, but his focus might let him down. I'm always busy. Last month, I wanted to start a charity, but it didn't get off the ground because I had too many other commitments. In politics, there are always new suggestions put forward for policy making. I'm not sure about this. I don't think it'll get off the ground, so let's look at something else. The new season has started and the coaching staff have big plans ahead. We need to get off the ground with a win with our first fixtures, then kick on from there. Here are some further examples for professional situations. The inventor has many failed inventions in his lab. I've so many projects that never got off the ground, but I still have faith that an investor might pick one up. They are now in a position where they can call themselves a success. It took 5 long years and many cash injections, but we got the company off the ground and now we're reaping the benefits. The media team are pressuring the board about a new campaign. The board aren't having any of it. There's no point in starting a new campaign until the previous one really gets off the ground. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.